What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm going to bring you over 10 amazing, insane, steal sneaker deals that you guys can get from Zalora. On top of that, I will give you a life hack on how you can actually make money while you are buying sneakers online. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but you guys will get the idea when we get to that part of the vlog. However, before we start, let me just share my pain with you guys. If you haven't watched my previous video, I did an on-feet review and unboxing of what I consider to be one of the best Jordans I bought this 2019. This is the Jordan 7 Pata. However, from the Jordan 7 Pata, it became the Jordan 7 Patatin. So I actually got some dirt on it. I'm kind of sad. I'll figure out how to clean it. But yeah guys, if you haven't seen my review yet of this one, the link to this can be found down below. Let's get to the over 10 amazing deals from Zalora. Now, before we get to Zalora, there is one secret weapon or life hack that you guys should have when you are online shopping. That is the app called ShopBap. So what you guys do, download the app, sign up for an account, go to Zalora, inside this app, start shopping, and then you actually get money back. For in the case of Zalora, it's up to 18% off what you buy. So apart from the discounts that you get with the discount codes from Zalora, you can get up to an additional 18% back to you. So it actually gets credited to your account 2 days after you buy, and then you can withdraw that to your bank account. So amazing. That stacks again guys with the discount that you get from Zalora. If you want to download it, the link can be found down below in the description box as well as pinned in the comment section. Now with that out of the way, let's go shopping. Let's kick things off with a sneaker that I recently reviewed, the Adidas Drama 9. Now this one usually retails for 3,000 pesos, but you can actually get it up to 25% off. You can actually end up buying it for less than 2,000 pesos, sometimes even down to like 1,600, 1,700 pesos if you're able to stack the discount codes that you can get from Zalora. Now apart from that, again, if you use the ShopBap app, you get up to 18% back to your account. So again guys, this is a really affordable running sneaker, super versatile, that you can now get at an even more affordable price. The Adidas Drama 9. Link to the review can be found down below. Up next, we have a bunch of Air Force Ones on Zalora, and my current favorite, of course, is this sail black Air Force One that I've been rocking a lot lately. All white, well, not all white, it's cream sail color. You can swap out the black laces for white laces if you want an all white look, and that nice pop of black along the outsole just gives it so much more character. Now this one I think usually sells for like a little, almost like 5,000 pesos, but with the 25% discount code that you can usually get, goes down to just 3,596 pesos, again plus the cashback that you guys can get from the ShopBap app. That's number 2, the Air Force One. Number 3, we have the New Balance X90. I have it in the mustard colorway, but there are different variants and colorways available over at Zalora. Now this one usually retails for 6,485. The more high-end model sells for like 7,000 pesos, but there are deals that you can get this for just down to 3,400 pesos. That, whew, crazy deal guys. Super comfortable, super stylish, timeless, classic, the New Balance X90. Going back to Adidas, we have the Adidas Alpha Bounce Beyond M. One of my favorite sneakers. If you guys have wide feet, if you're a bit of the chunky side, this one delivers excellent support and cushioning. So the New Balance, the Adidas Alpha Bounce Beyond M usually sells, I think, for like almost 5,000 pesos or a little over 5,000 pesos. You can actually get the all-white version for just 2,781 pesos, and then you get your cash back with the ShopBap app. Great deal. The Adidas Alpha Bounce Beyond 2. Now the next sneaker is Nike's newest running shoe, the Nike Pegasus 36. Now I actually have a pair with me right here. I haven't formally unboxed it yet and I haven't actually worn it yet, so I will be doing an on-feet review of this next week. Now this one usually sells for over 6,000 pesos, but with the discount code you can actually get it for just 4,721, and again you apply the ShopBap credits back to your account. So just so you guys know what it looks like, so this is the Nike Pegasus 36, the successor to the highly successful and critically lauded, of course, Pegasus 35. The Pegasus line has been a hallmark in affordable, versatile abusable running sneakers. Now, in the interest of showcasing you guys different brands, so we're not just stuck to Adidas and Nike, I'm actually going to feature sneakers from Skechers, Fila, and Under Armour. So let's kick things off with Skechers. You can actually get their chunky Skechers Delights 3. The one that I have with me is of course the collaboration with One Piece for the Blackbeard sneaker, but you can get the Delights 3, well, non-collaboration version, and that one usually sells for I think like over 4,000 pesos, close to 5,000. With the discount codes, you guys can get it for 3,221. This is an amazingly comfortable chunky dad shoe, guys, so make sure that you guys check it out. The Skechers Delights 3. For Fila, I have two sneakers that I wanted to share with you guys. The first one, of course, is the Fila Ray Tracer. The Fila Ray Tracer usually sells for 3,500 pesos. With the discount code, you can bring it down to 2,624 and then apply the ShopBap like money back. So for an even more better deal. You can also take a look at the Fila Phyton 99. This is the Fila sneaker that I actually wanted to buy a while back, but they didn't have it in my size. Same price point, 3,499. With the discount code, it gets knocked down to just 2,624 pesos. There is actually also an Adidas NMD sitting on Zalora via the ShopBap app. It usually sells for 9,000 pesos. With the discount code applied, it goes all the way down to just 5,300 pesos for a brand new pair of NMDs. Again, with the ShopBap, more money back to you. And lastly, we have the Nike Vapor Max. The Nike Vapor Max usually sells for 9,400 pesos. With the stacked discount codes, you can actually get it for like under 5,000 pesos, which is already an amazing deal considering the technology and style that you get with the Nike Vapor Max. So those are the sneakers that I wanted to share with you guys, but I actually ended up buying something. So I went on back to the ShopBap app and then opened Zalora. And I was looking actually for a clean pair of white sneakers. Now, I didn't want to go the typical way of Air Force Ones or white Prestos or white Huaraches. So I went for one of the most comfortable sneakers, unbeknownst to you guys, one of the sneakers that I love the most, from Under Armour, which is the Under Armour Hover Phantom. They actually had an all-white version of the Under Armour Hover Phantom. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, was selling for over 8,500 pesos. With the discount code, I was able to get it for a little over 6,000 pesos. And just so you guys see how it works, if we log on to my ShopBap account, it says here that cashback tracked. So I actually got 578 pesos back from my transaction from buying the Under Armour Hover Phantom from Zalora via the ShopBap app. So apart from the 25% discount code, I also get an additional 578 pesos back to my account. Those are only some of the great deals that you can find over at Zalora via the ShopBap app. Again, guys, if you find any other great deals that you want to share with us, just leave it down below in the comment section so people can find it themselves. Apart from that, remember to stack the discounts. Use the discount code. Take a look at items that are already on sale. So they're on sale, then you get a discount code. Then make sure to buy it via the ShopBap app so you can get an additional up to 18% off via Zalora. By the way, I have great news for all of you sneakerheads watching this video today. We can pretty much confirm that one of our favorite sneaker shops will be part of the ShopBap platform. I am talking about Soul Academy. So watch out for Soul Academy to appear on the ShopBap app. And that wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys are all having a great week, and I pray that you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. There will be no power-up words of wisdom for today's episode, but please do watch out for it when it drops again in the episode that we have tomorrow, Saturday, or whenever it is that you guys are watching this. Just watch the next vlog so you catch the next power-up words of wisdom for the day. Oh, just a quick preview, I will be unboxing one of the first Yeezy 350 Boost sneakers to come out. That will be the vlog coming to you guys very soon. So make sure that you guys watch out for that when it drops. That's it for now. Don't forget to download the ShopBap app. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.